Hi, everyone. If you've been trying to find the sidebar settings on your Redmi 17C and can't figure out where it is, this video will help you. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to enable sidebar on Redmi 17C step by step. We'll also check all sidebar settings and customize it so you can quickly access your favorite apps while using your phone. The sidebar feature is really useful for multitasking. You can open apps faster, switch between them easily, and improve your overall experience on Redmi 17C.